छी
कड़क माल एकदम
ऐसा लग रहा है खा रहा हूँ मैं। गोवा चिली में चिली तो टमाटर के जैसा दिख रहा है।
So this is, to me, this looks like underwater scenery. ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank God. Oh my God. I swear I have been traumatized with this ice cream box. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of what we are brewing at Impulse Coffee. The last time I met you all over here where we were talking about Impulse Coffee's new launch, it's been a long time to that. Last we launched strawberry coffee and the quad set, and there have been a lot of changes in the company ever since. That was in the month of October. In October, we launched Masti Bhari Strawberry, which was a limited edition strawberry flavored coffee. It is still available in the smallest amounts on our website. As we are just saying goodbye to winter, we restocked that 2 times because that was a huge hit for us. And in general, we have always seen that y'all love our flavored coffees, especially our fruity flavored coffees, because I've realized not a lot of people are experimenting with coffee on the Indian market. And when we do fruity flavored coffees, we get it just right. The whole idea of doing these limited edition products is because we do organic flavors, so we can only experiment with that particular fruit in that particular season. And so as we started with our summer season, we brought back 2 of our absolute hits from the last 2 summers at Impulse Coffees. In 2023 we launched Keep Calm with Kacham, and in 2024 we launched Pal Pal Pineapple, and in 2025 we've bought both of these fruity flavors back in stock for y'all. So this was our summer launch 1.0, but today I'm taking y'all through our summer launch 2.0 because Impulse Coffees is now launching iced tea. We had already started working on different things that we can do in the food and beverage industry which would set Impulse Coffees apart, keeping quality at our top-notch priority. We know to do 2 things really well. One is our coffees, of course, but the other thing is to balance coffees with really good flavors. Flavored coffee is where we ventured out, and flavored coffee is what people love from us. Our flavors are very unique, and our flavors always hit the right spot because we get organic flavors, and that is one market which is not that well tapped in India yet. This year at Impulse Coffees, we want to make some big changes. You will be seeing a lot of launches from us. A lot of your favorites that you have seen in the past will be coming back. We've been working on these products for a while, and the first of those is going to be Impulse Iced Tea. This product comes from the love of iced tea in general with everyone, especially in a city like Bombay. हम सब बहुत गर्मी में full time रहते हैं, and I feel like iced tea is a universal order at a restaurant, universal order at a cafe. And as a coffee brand, first I was like, oh no, Impulse Coffees, तो हम सिर्फ coffee कर सकते हैं. But that myth has been long broken because we did drinking chocolate powder like 2 years back, and it's still today one of my best sellers because that is not very sweet, and a lot of moms love our Hum Tum or hot chocolate for their kids. Like Ishan always drinks Hum Tum or hot chocolate because उसको ज़्यादा मीठा, of course बच्चे लोग को ज़्यादा शक्कर नहीं दे सकते, but they do love hot chocolate. So hot chocolate is still such a fan favorite. Everybody who doesn't like coffee goes for hot chocolate, and that's what I realized, like Impulse Coffees has to do things for people who are not just coffee fanatics, because coffee is also an acquired taste. Not everybody likes coffee. So now that we know that we can do other things, I wanted to take a spin on our flavors because our flavors are so freaking strong. Our flavors are definitely something that we have down right really well apart from our coffee, and उस flavors के साथ I wanted to play, and उन flavors के साथ खेलने में we came up with the concept that we can finally launch iced tea. Iced tea is a beverage that I feel like everybody enjoys no matter what age group you are in. अगर आप बच्चे हो, बड़े हो, सबको iced tea पसंद है. If you go in a restaurant, the one non-alcoholic beverage that everybody enjoys ordering is an iced tea. I love iced teas. Whenever I go to a restaurant, my first cafe order will be an iced tea and a pasta or an iced tea and something. So I wanted to give that restaurant experience at home because that is literally what we did with Impulse Coffees also. We gave you that cafe experience, but we gave it to you at home. So that was the agenda. We brought in so many samples and so many rejects after getting the tea samples fused with our flavors. We got so many different variations. बहुत सारे rejects हुए, हम लोग लोग रोज़ ही ट्राई करते थे उसको एंड रोज़ ही लाइक रिजेक्शंस होते थे, सिलेक्शंस होते थे, बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया जो हमने कॉफ़ी के साथ भी नहीं किए हैं बिकॉज आइस टी हैज़ अ वाइडर स्पेक्ट्रम, देयर इज मोर यू कैन प्ले ओवर देयर एंड more variations that we can do. And I also again wanted the balance just right. The whole agenda is कि हाँ आप flavors डाल रहे हो but आप juice नहीं बना रहे हो, you are making iced tea, so that tea का hint will also be there and the flavor will also be really strong. Over here the flavor will be much stronger than it is in coffee, because in coffee is definitely an overpowering flavor in itself. The coffee caffeine kick has to be stronger, but in iced tea the flavor is stronger, then the tea is just like an infusion. So that was the balance we just wanted to get right. We all tested it a lot, and if you all know, my partner Reeth is a huge iced tea lover. He has tried every single iced tea there is in India. He drinks 3 glasses of iced tea every single day, no cap. So that's the kind of iced tea consumption he has, and so he was like my benchmark that if he likes the flavor, I know I got it right. So when we started the manufacturing process, that time he was not in Mumbai, so we just rejected a lot of samples on our end, and then we got a lot of like final round of samples, and this is what the sampling process looked like. It's 13 December 2024, and today we're sampling iced tea for Impulse Coffees. We've stumbled upon these fabulous iced tea flavors, like so unique, and I'm very excited and very interested to see this. Actually, my favorite person who loves iced tea is Reeth, who's not here. When he comes, we will make him. He's in Assam still, so when he comes back, we'll make him taste. It's so unique, like the flavors that we have. There's lemon ginger is fine. This is very auntie types. Guava chili is something I think I'm gonna love because I love Apsara ka guava chili ice cream. There's watermelon, there's orange, there's strawberry. See, like so many different samples. Okay. Which one you want to try?
I think chili guava I'll try.
Yeah, guava chili even I'll try. Make one cup, then one we'll keep for Reeth. When he comes, we'll make him try. We can actually start a full tea vertical with Reeth, you know. Because he loves tea and he loves his Assamese chai. So it's like a premix already. Like how our drinking chocolate powder is. Just have to put water. That's how Impulse's products are, like instant. Ooh, it's pink. Ooh, it's orange-ish. दोनों सेम ही लग रहे हैं मेरे को. Ooh, it's brown. What was that? Watermelon. सब एक ही कलर. Watermelon is smelling like watermelon.
Yeah, बहुत freshness feel हो रहा है.
So actually these samples had come before also by this vendor. Oh, it's nice. Flavors are banging. You need to have the guava chili.
ये ना?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so good.
बहुत ही refreshing है यार. It's tasting like watermelon. Strawberry and guava chili to banging. अभी जो we are launching iced tea.
Launching what?
Iced tea.
I'm gonna taste test it, okay, please.
Of course you're gonna taste this. The flavors are so good.
Which flavor? Iced tea?
Your favorites are here: watermelon,
Yes.
strawberry, peach, lemon, ginger.
Yes.
Huh?
Peach good. Watermelon good. Lemon good.
Guava chili.
Ginger.
Guava chili.
Wow. Wow.
Very nice. My favorite. Just like Apsara's guava chili ice cream. Same, but like as if I'm having it garmi mein. Like we launch it in the summers. It'll be banging. तुम लोग नहीं ट्राई करोगे तो लॉन्च नहीं हो पाएगा. फटाफट.
आइस टी
Yes.
इम्पल्स का.
Yes. सिर्फ सामान लेने आ तू और देने आ और कुछ कर. वॉचमैन के जैसा खाली दरवाजे में से चला जा.
फ्लेवर भी है.
Yes. तो आइस टी में फ्लेवर ही होगा ना. चाय देंगे हम ऐसी. हम कॉफी में भी फ्लेवर डाल के देते हैं. देख तू देख गलोर
गुआवा ब्लूबेरी.
करना
कौन सा कर?
जो करना है कर.
रुआफ़ज़ा.
ये जो तीन बने सेम जो
फ्लेवर कौन सा है?
क्या
सेम है.
नहीं रे अलग अलग फ्लेवर है. तेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
स्ट्रॉबेरी.
स्ट्रॉबेरी.
अच्छा तो है बट फ्लेवर गेस करना मुश्किल होगा. तक गेस करना.
स्ट्रॉबेरी ना?
बेस्ट.
स्ट्रॉबेरी बेस्ट है. स्ट्रॉबेरी वाज वेरी गुड. मेरे नाइफ जंप टू है. अरे अभी हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे चाय पप्पा।
चाय के साथ तेरा पकौड़ा भी दे दो। ओके ओके।
क्या नहीं अच्छा लग रहा लोगों
गोवा है
को?
शायद।
गोवा चिली
ओके
सब एक नहीं है पप्पा, अलग अलग फ्लेवर है। इनको लग रहा है कॉफी के जैसा है।
और एक बात
ये तो वाटरमेलन।
हाँ अरे वाह।
कौन सा पसंद है? बस फर्स्ट।
स्ट्रॉबेरी।
सबका सेम।
We just have one sample of the blueberry iced tea. So आज हम blueberry sachet first time खोल रहे हैं. First tasting of the blueberry. What you're saying?
ये वाला when I poured ours,
हाँ.
the fragrance was very nice. इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं आया.
Fragrance. This
इसमें
is.
fragrance was
We are
very
testing a competitor brand against our samples. This is 30 grams, 20 grams. So this is competitor and this is अपना.
Which one should I taste first?
जो मर्जी. ये अपना है और ये competitor है.
This one is very nice. It's a very nice smell. The aroma is very nice. It's blueberry flavored, right?
Yes. ये नहीं मालूम था तुमको?
नहीं पूछा मैंने तो तुमसे.
Okay. इसमें 30 ग्राम है तो कलर डार्क लग रहा है. I don't know if intensity, but flavor profile check करो.
No smell at all इसमें. जैसे चीनी पानी जैसा लग रहा है मेरे को.
बहुत शुगर है मतलब.
This doesn't feel like an iced tea. It feels like doesn't feel like an iced tea, but feels like this sugary drink with little bit of blueberry flavor on it.
Wait, let me try.
There is no aftertaste. There is no aftertaste इसमें. This one has a very strong aftertaste मेरे मुंह में.
फर्स्ट कंपेटिटर. ये 30 ग्राम है और ये 20 ग्राम है, इसलिए कलर में बहुत डिफरेंस है. बट देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग मिक्स्ड, आई डोंट नो, ब्राउन शुगर.
Brown sugar it seems.
चीनी पानी जैसा वो आ
Yeah.
रहा है मुझे.
It's very sweet, very sugary and yeah, there's no aroma. ब्राउन शुगर है वो, इसलिए वो ब्राउन कलर भी दे रहा है.
Probably.
क्योंकि वो व्हाइट शुगर का टेस्ट नहीं है.
देखो.
Nice. इसका एक्चुअली
इसका आफ्टर टेस्ट वही. There's a very, my mouth is surrounded with that blueberry का आफ्टर टेस्ट. This is again चीनी पानी जैसा हो रहा है, सिर्फ थोड़ा बहुत ब्लूबेरी का फ्लेवर डाल
I
दिया
really
उसके
like
ऊपर.
this. Like इसके सब फ्लेवर्स में जो एक्चुअल फ्रूट है उसका एसेंस इज कैप्चर्ड.
स्मेल आ रहा है बहुत.
Yeah.
बहुत फ्रेश स्मेल आ रहा है मुझे उसका.
उसमें वही है, मैं जैसे ही डाला वो पहले ब्लूबेरी का इसमें से ही वो फ्रेग्रेंस आया.
We
Try it.
playing on the
चलो
aroma.
guys.
चलो you all try.
Yeah.
You like blueberry?
Yeah.
Do you remember what strawberry and all tasted like?
हाँ.
But we are doing an assorted box now, so
But
it's
this-
fine. No more
I've
have to
not tried
select.
दूसरा कुछ भी guys. This is the first one I'm trying.
Oh yeah, you didn't come that day. Correct. I forgot. You've not
This
tried.
time मैं कभी ऐसे ब्लूबेरी का I don't have any.
Yeah,
No,
this is the first
very
time
good.
I'm also having a blueberry iced tea.
बहुत मीठा लगता है मुझे. Very sweet. Like I have sweet only drinks. But
ये गुड़ नींबू का पानी के जैसा लग रहा है. Exactly गुड़ नींबू का पानी है.
What's
ब्लूबेरी का
happening is,
बहुत मतलब like fragrance ही पहले वो attract होता है उसमें.
I think this will be a very hit launch.
It's like you actually can taste blueberry. उसमें
Yes.
taste नहीं आ रहा है. Like you can't make out what flavor.
Exactly. जैसे इसको भी अब पुटिंग इन सिर्फ चीनी का स्वाद आया है मुझे. इसको जैसे एक खट्टा स्वाद आया, फिर
Citrusy
there was sweet, then
Nice.
it's a nice concoction of flavors.
Okay, watermelon, guava chili, blueberry we are finalizing. We really like it. It's unique also. So 4 हो गए. अभी हम 10 narrow down कर रहे हैं. We are trying lemon ginger, orange, peach and lemon iced tea. और 4 है हमारे पास. पानी है nice. Lemon ginger. Which flavor is that?
This is only lemon.
Lemon ginger, lemon. सबके colors almost same ही आ रहे हैं.
नहीं वाटरमेलन का बहुत अलग.
हाँ, watermelon, strawberry, guava chili, reds थे.
Which one is this is peach, right? Smell again. The smell is very good. Smell बहुत सही आता है यार. Like मैं यहाँ पे मुझे smell आ रहा है यहाँ से. It's good, but थोड़ा दवाई वाला feeling आ रहा है मुझे इससे.
थोड़ा
मुझे
ऐसा-
टी का फ्लेवर नहीं आ
नहीं आ
रहा.
रहा.
दिस फील्स मोर लाइक अ पीच जूस वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है मुझे इससे.
It's nice. But अभी ब्लूबेरी किया तो उसके कंपैरिजन में like this
Not
is
that
not
great.
that great.
Okay.
अपर पैलेट में मुझे लग रहा है वो बिटरनेस मुझे फील हो रहा है.
Cheese.
Exactly.
No, so this does feel like peach, but again it's too much peach. The
No, it doesn't feel. It's like peach खराब हो गया, like rancid. हाँ, like literally फूल फला नहीं वो झाड़ तो वो गंदा taste है.
peach on hold.
Peach is not approved.
So what? Orange is better. थोड़ा बहुत ग्लूकॉन डी वाला फीलिंग दे रहा है मुझे ऑरेंज.
ग्लूकॉन डी वो तो आएगा. But this is nice.
This is good, but
बचपन की याद आ रही है. But yeah, tea is less.
टी मुझे मतलब टी का वो नहीं आ रहा.
It's nice, but yeah, वापस वो ग्लूकॉन डी जैसा आ रहा.
Lemon. Okay, let's try lemon ginger first.
Lemon ginger.
Oh, this is very good. This is very good.
I think ginger with tea is such a good combo.
ये ठंडी अदरक वाली चाय जो होती है ना, मुझे उसको that warmth of ginger is also there, but it's very cool as well.
Aroma is really nice.
I think so. It's not that cold. That's the reason थोड़ा सा low है वो. ठंडा रहेगा.
I think lemon का इतना वो freshness नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं, but ginger का बहुत अच्छा flavor profile आ रहा है.
So yeah, you can name it ginger, but फिर मुझे lemon नहीं आ रहा.
But
Lemon maybe because it's not that cold. That's why you're feeling it. Do you want to put more ice and check?
मेरे को भी ठीक ही लगा.
हाँ, ठीक लगा.
मेरे को actually अच्छा लगा.
Ginger is good, but if you call it lemon ginger, it's not good. Lemon, no?
It's nice. I think थोड़ा ठंडा और
थोड़ा ठंडा होगा ना.
वो lemon का आएगा.
Taste is definitely overpower. Lemon इतना नहीं है.
That freshness that iced tea gives, like how
Citrus है.
Yeah.
how this was fresh blueberry. This is not
इसमें
fresh.
ginger is very overpowering.
Okay. This is nice. This is very like the brands that do lemon iced tea. That is the. This is approved.
फज को देखो क्या देख रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है.
Nice.
Yeah. Is nice.
Very nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty.
वो ये बोली जैसे लिप्टन वगैरह का होता है सेम क्लास से.
Very nice. Like I can imagine ये गर्मी में एक टम्बलर में भर के पी रहा हूँ. This is blueberry.
Blueberry. Okay.
200 ग्राम हो गया है. Smell this. इसका smell is the best part. Guava chili.
Guava chili. पेरू का स्मेल आया ना.
गुआवा चिली अभी मेरा भी अभी फर्स्ट टाइम होगा. मैंने गुआवा चिली मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया.
पहले अपन ये ट्राई करते हैं. मैं कलर भी एक नंबर लगा इसका.
स्मेल क्या मस्त है इसका. जबरदस्त.
मेरा फेवरेट है.
बहुत अच्छा है यार ये वाला एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा है.
ऐसा लग रहा है खा रहा हूँ मैं.
बहुत मस्त है यार ये वाला. ऑल द फ्लेवर्स I've tasted so far is better than watermelon.
Yeah, guava chili is my favorite too.
Better than
एकदम
watermelon.
rich in taste.
Very rich. तो पूरा assorted box में हाँ 10 sachet. तो तुम you don't need to pick favorites. We are doing like sachets.
ये वाला crazy.
कड़क माल है एकदम. कड़क माल है.
कोई भी फ्लेवर आई डोंट लाइक टू डू आर्टिफिशियल बिकॉज फिर ना रखे वो ड्रिप होता है. इसलिए मेरे को ओरिजिनल फ्लेवर्स ऑर्गेनिक में ही खेलने पसंद है. ऑर्गेनिक फ्लेवर की बात ही कुछ और है.
टिपिकल इंडियन लोग ऐसा खाते हैं.
हाँ, पेरू और मिर्ची खाते ना वैसा.
वैसा लग रहा है.
इसमें बहुत कम डाला है.
इसमें तो कुछ गया ही नहीं जान. अब जब हमारे फ्लेवर्स लॉक हो गए, आई वाज कंफ्यूज्ड इफ आई वांट टू डू लाइक वन फ्लेवर ऑफ आइस टी और इफ वी वांट टू डू एन असॉर्टेड बॉक्स बिकॉज वीव डन आवर कॉफी इन लाइक one flavor and every time we've launched one single flavor, but all of y'all majorly have the request that put coffee sachets so that we can taste everything in one shot, and I am listening to that request since a lot of years and I'm working on it. Trust me, I am working on coffee sachets now. I've finally taken that into consideration. But in iced tea, my vendor and I decided and we got on a call that there are certain limitations with doing like one flavor. अगर आप iced tea एक डब्बे में पैक करोगे ना, तो अगर किसी ने थोड़ा सा भी वो डब्बा खुला छोड़ दिया या गीला चम्मच अंदर डाल दिया, पूरा iced tea खराब हो जाएगा. And that would be a huge consumer complaint that we would start getting in because iced tea powder is very humidity sensitive, and we do get that complaint with coffee also, even though our storage instructions are there very well and everybody who has brains can understand that instant coffee को आप मॉइस्चर नहीं लगा सकते, आप उसको फ्रिज में नहीं रख सकते, आप उसमें गीला चम्मच नहीं डाल सकते वरना कॉफी छिटक जाएगी. So that can happen a lot more with iced tea, and I didn't want to take that risk. So this time we decided that we will give you the multi-spectrum experience and we will do an assorted box of iced tea first hand. Let us first do this. Let's first see how much you guys love this, which flavors are you all loving the most, and then in the future, keeping in mind that my consumers are smart and will consume iced tea without putting a गीला चम्मच in the container, हम inshallah in the future individual flavors भी ला सकते हैं, and we'll keep our storage instructions very loud and clear and out. So with that we decided कि okay multiple flavors पे काम करते हैं and we'll put them all in one nice box. And how many do we want to do? Like, do we want to do 10 flavors or do we want to do 5 flavors? So that's also something that we were confused about. हमने competitor analysis भी किया, of course. If you're a smart business person, you will always see what your competitors are doing, and I've seen competitors do like single flavors also. Mostly that is only going on in the market. But in the assorted box variation, I've seen people do like 10 different flavors, and I've seen them do like one kahi full box, like only sachets in that box. So I wanted to do something hatke in general. Of course, Impulse always wants to stand out. We don't want to do what everyone is doing. So in our Impulse iced tea box, we decided that we would do 5 flavors of iced tea, and उसमें हम हर flavor का 2 डालेंगे, because if you and your friend are sharing it, I don't want you to have a different flavor and your friend to have a different flavor and then have to share. You can do that, of course you can do that. You have the experience of doing whatever you want. But if you and your friend are on a date or you're just chilling watching a movie or want to make the same iced tea, so you get 2 sachets of that particular iced tea in one box. It was difficult to narrow down कि हमको starting में कौन से flavors करने. Like I said, I wanted to be unique. I don't want Impulse to ever be one of the walking talking brands. I want us to always stand out, and वो stand out motive से सबसे पहले तो हमने वो flavors चुने जो अब तक किसी ने नहीं किया है, जो मैंने किसी और के साथ नहीं देखा है. And the first one of that was तीखी मीठी guava chili. Oh my god, you guys, this is a fan favorite. Everybody who has guava chili iced tea from Impulse is obsessed. I have a feeling कि most of you are going to come back to me and tell me कि सारा guava chili अलग से launch करो, because it is so perfect, so perfect. It doesn't taste artificial at all. One of my friends was like, this tastes exactly जैसे cafes में guava chili iced tea मिलता है. In fact, even better, because cafes में ऐसा लगता है guava juice डाला और ऊपर मिर्ची powder डाला. This has the right notes of guava and the chili spiciness, and you feel it in every sip. It's so perfect. Like, I'm so happy with the guava chili, and that I saw no other brand is doing. So that was my number 1 कि सबसे पहले वो तो डालेंगे हम डिब्बे में. Second favorite has been done by a couple of brands, but ours is honestly so much better. And I'm not just saying this because this is my brand, and trust me, I've tried every brand on the market. Whenever I'm launching something, I always buy everything from other brands to see the benchmark that is there in India, and then we try to do something up. So that's literally what is setting Impulse apart so far in the business, and that is the reason that we are here today, because it's because of the quality of products we are bringing to the table. And our Chulbuli blueberry iced tea is another very nice one. The taste of blueberry is also really nicely there. It doesn't feel artificial. It's Reed's favorite. Like, he drinks blueberry like non-stop. मैंने उसके लिए बड़ा वाला sachet मंगा के रखा है vendor से, and we made that big blueberry for him and made a big guava chili for me. So I'm telling you our favorites inside. So these two are definitely a reason why you should get. Then we have to of course do something which is common and everyone loves it, and that is lemon. We are of course calling everything with a Hindi English twist, because that's what we do at Impulse Coffees. So we've got Lajawab lemon, जो सबको पसंद है. Lemon iced tea तो सभी को पसंद है. Very refreshing, very perfect, and the lemon notes are much stronger than the tea notes, but just with one sachet you're getting the full experience. And then the last 2 flavors, I wanted an extension from our coffee to come into our iced tea, so that you can see that it is one brand. Like, Impulse Coffees is taking our flavor very seriously, and just the way you love your Pal Pal pineapple coffee, you will love your Pal Pal pineapple iced tea. In fact, I feel like a little bit more, because oh my god, I hate pineapple. Okay, that's a fruit I hate, because वो खाओ और फिर वो तारक छिल जाती है. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है that छिलावा taste that you get after pineapple. But somehow I am obsessed with pineapple coffee and pineapple iced tea both. Pineapple iced tea in fact is so refreshing. It's so pineapple-y. Like, in my pineapple coffee, I feel like there's only a hint of aroma and slight amount of taste, because coffee is always overpowering. But the pineapple iced tea, oh my god, you get the pineapple, you get it very nicely. And even if you hate the fruit for removing, like you making you feel icky after eating it. If you get a bleached mouth after pineapple, you're getting the full taste of pineapple with the pineapple iced tea, but you will not get that bleached mouth feelings. That is my second favorite. I think after guava chili, I would say I go for pineapple the most. And then of course Masti Bhari strawberry. Strawberry is one of my favorite fruits, and Masti Bhari strawberry coffee was also launched due to that. Masti Bhari iced tea is actually Taha and Amit's favorite. It is that first time they sipped it and they were like, wow, this is it. Like, this is such a good iced tea and it's such a refreshing drink. You get the right balance of tea and strawberry again in Masti Bhari strawberry. So this is how we decided कि इन पांचों के 2 sachet हम इस डब्बे में डालेंगे. There were a lot more samples that we loved and a lot more flavors that we kind of finalized on, but we are hoping that you will love this so much that there will definitely be an iced tea 2.0 box. So you can be prepared कि जो भी samples अभी reject हुए हैं वो हम और develop करके next डिब्बे में जरूर आप लोग के लिए लेके आएंगे. So what you can expect when you get your Impulse iced tea is 200 grams of product. We have done 20 grams each sachet. You're getting 10 sachets and 5 flavors. So that is 2 sachets of each flavor. And overall it is 200 grams of product. Every sachet is made in a way कि अगर आप 200 ml पानी, this is 200 ml पानी, 1 big glass of water में आप एक पूरा sachet डालोगे, you will make the perfect iced tea drink for yourself. So 200 ml for 20 grams. If you want to make a smaller glass, you can put half a sachet, but please remember to staple अच्छे से, वरना वो चिपक जाएगा powder if you're using half a sachet. And this one is Chulbuli blueberry. Oh, it tastes so good. It's got the right balance of tea and blueberry. That's literally the mark we wanted to hit. Very, very refreshing. Every single flavor. Super refreshing. It's very easy to make. You just have to put the powder, pani and ice. And that's it. It's instant iced tea, just like our instant coffee. The last step of launching something, which is usually the step that takes the most amount of time, is the design process. The design process for the iced tea really drove us crazy. There were 3 things that I told my designer. One is colorful. One is on brand. The brand aesthetic cannot change because we have all these products now. We are in the market since 3 years. People see certain elements and they know it's Impulse. So of course you have to carry forward those certain elements into the designing. It has to be colorful because you know I love color, and मेरे सारे coffees भी अगर आप side में रखोगे तो सारे एकदम colorful लगते हैं. I love how the family looks overall. The website looks overall. There's aesthetics, and when you're designing, you have to keep a lot of things in mind. You know, like what you will do when you will do the next flavor, what will happen when you do the website, what will happen when you do the photography and the marketing and everything. So designing seems like a very easy process, but it actually takes up the most time, the most brain space, and that is the point where I went crazy in the designing process of Impulse iced tea because there were so many elements. Like coffee, we just do one label, and जब से हमारा initial label बन गया, हम उसका सिर्फ color बदलते हैं, नाम बदलते हैं, and we can launch our coffee flavor. That's literally how fast the designing goes for coffee these days. But this is a new product from scratch. सब कुछ बनाना है. So first we start with the mood board. Okay, we are in the designing process of our iced tea box, our iced tea sachets. This is what the mood board is looking like, right? Yes, please take the lead.
Yes, so this is for just for the sachet packets. What we are looking for the box. The whole idea is summer fun
Yes.
and
Colorful.
Yes,
With
colorful.
fruits.
Yes. Also, we have a few more references. Maybe something with just the shapes.
Yes, patterns.
Or we can also do something like this, but more on fun side.
Yeah. So since our coffees are much like, they are for more of an adult crowd, it's more simple and very classic. We want to be super fun when it comes to the iced tea box. Keep it more Gen Z and, you know, with a lot of patterns, and also because it's a summer launch, keep it very fresh because I think a younger audience consumes iced tea. So then that is the vibe, like very colorful and attractive, so that you immediately feel like grabbing it when you see it. Yes.
And it also
Sounds
makes
good.
you feel like, oh, you know, the summer heat, and then you have this cool iced tea, which is colorful as well. So, yeah.
Fun. I love how the mood board is so colorful right now because that's exactly how I thought the product would look like. Yeah, we are on the same page, I think. Patterns, fruits, just on that line. So the box will be generic and the sachets will have individual flavors ka illustrations. Yeah, the illustrations will talk for themselves. Okay, we've received the first round of the packaging design samples, and this is what she has sent across. This is the first one. I actually really like this because side में ऐसा crimping आएगा iced tea का sachet में. She's only designed strawberry. ये हम लोग ने अब तक दिया नहीं है उनको exact content, so she just copy pasted from our coffee design. बहुत cluttered है ये. I think थोड़ा बच्चों का हॉर्लिक्स ब्रांड जैसा लग रहा है. दिस आई लाइक द इलस्ट्रेशन बट आई थिंक द कलर्स ऑफ दिस वुड लुक बेटर ऑन दिस बिकॉज दिस इज गिविंग आवर raspberry colors. We can do raspberry iced tea in the future too. Should we give her a go ahead for this or you want any feedback? Do you have any feedback for this?
This looks good.
Sharon, you want to give your inputs on the iced tea design?
The pink is too bright.
दिस इज अपना स्ट्रॉबेरी का. वो प्रिंट होने के बाद डल हो जाएगा CMYK में.
But we're not doing any changes at all in the label when it comes to iced tea. एकदम ही coffee जैसे
Yeah,
लग रहा है.
actually, this is very similar. What I think you all should do is iced tea is what iced tea is a very playful this, right? Whereas coffee is chalo, I get it. Coffee is a
So
very
what
safe
she
thing,
has
like,
to do is see this narrative I have only told her because as a brand if we remove this ticket element now and you'll just keep this logo floating in the air, wo beige contrasts very badly with the other colors you choose to play. I've seen with other designers also. When you give that ticket now it gives that extension to the design in general. Instead of doing the full ticket how we did with the coffee sachet, she did a half ticket. So the ticket is something we've done on all our products, even hot chocolate we've done it. It's like our brand identity. If we pull away, we are such a small brand, we can't pull away from our branding like this.
कि यहाँ पे they've played with a single color palette,
हाँ.
right? The moment you go to yours, because of the ticket, there are multiple color palettes here. So that whole vibe, that whole ticket is taking away from the vibe, which is why I feel that the background design needs to be a little more playful. If you go to the
But then if you see this is very playful and it's looking too much.
That is the very, very loud, I feel. Very loud, very kiddie. Go to the mood board. Look at what they have done with these. Look at the backgrounds.
But they don't have a logo. What is their logo?
It's
Which
not
brand
only-
is this?
No, I'm not saying go to
Zabong.
the logo. I'm not saying go for the logo. Look what they have done with the background.
Also, you're referring to square here, so
This is a very playful yet a very classic this.
the square looks much more better. You think?
But we can't change the packaging. That तो machine change करनी पड़ेगी. Machine तो अपनी vertically
This
निकालेगी.
is fine. The ticket y'all keep. If I understand what you
See,
you
if
guys
we'll remove the ticket ना, तो logo हवा में उड़ेगा. तो logo को
The logo somewhere.
But this is not a social media graphic. This is a product. A product needs to have logo front and center. You can't sub minimize the logo, right? The logo, if it's in the center, that very minute you've lost the continuity to the design. Like imagine this design with just the logo in the center and then writing somewhere in between. So this is the round 2 that the designer has given us. Round 3 actually. And we have for pineapple, this is blueberry, this is lemon, this is guava chili, and then this is variant 2. So हम लोगों ने जितना भी feedback बीच में discuss किया उसके बाद this is there. There is now more feedback. She's gonna come and she's gonna discuss. So मुझे क्या लग रहा है? Now I'll tell you all what I'm thinking, then you all tell me what you all are thinking, okay? So for pineapple, this is the option number 1 for pineapple, and this is option number 2. Which one do you like better?
First one.
This one? With the illustration. मुझे background बताओ. Background तुमको ये अच्छा लग रहा है waves के साथ ये छोटे छोटे slices इधर कि ये पीछे ये first new.
First. The second.
Even Reet likes the second. Do you like the second because of the background or do you like it because of
The pineapple, I don't like the big pineapple.
I also don't like the pineapple thing. even ये नीचे का भी.
So you chose second,
हाँ, मैं
right?
second. हाँ मैं.
मुझे बड़ा पाइनएप्पल नहीं अच्छा लगा.
First का.
ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है.
It's too big, I hate.
ओके. ब्लूबेरी में ये है फर्स्ट वन. फिर लेमन में ये है. आई फील लाइक इधर you're getting the fruit is getting, and like there are certain changes she has to do that she's not followed the brand guidelines. Like this border for the logo is not needed. Our logo is in continuation with the ticket. The drop shadow also that is there, like ये जो drop shadow है, that also I feel like बहुत ज़्यादा और edges पे भी बहुत आ रहा है. Like ticket को थोड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं. Always in our branding अपन flavor को ticket के अंदर डालते हैं and vice versa. So ये गलत किया उसने. फिर pineapple में बहुत छोटा हो गया पल like it's almost not readable. पल दिख ही नहीं रहा, सिर्फ pineapple पे नजर जा रही है. So she can change, like this iced tea can come नीचे and she can make this बड़ा and put it under. देन ब्लूबेरी में कॉन्ट्रास्ट बढ़ाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये इतना दिख नहीं रहा है, ये मर्ज हो रहा है. गोवा चिली में चिली तो टमाटर के जैसा दिख रहा है, तो या ये चिली नहीं दिख रहा है, तो चिली कैन बिकम चिली. ये वाले में भी टमाटर ही लग रहा है.
चिली कैन बी चिली एग्जैक्टली.
या लाइक मिर्ची. एंड ये भी पेरू नहीं लग रहा है, ये पेर लग रहा है. हाँ, आई डेंट लाइक गोवा चिली एट ऑल. लाइक आई फील लाइक even if it's too, इसका gradient can be smoother than this very contrasting red. Like it's
Even the Hindi ka this font which she's put this तीखी that वो
हाँ ख नहीं तीरवी हो गया ये तो तीरवी.
तो आई वाज थिंकिंग यू सेड ना कि वो टिकट के अंदर फ्लेवर आता है. सो व्हाई कांट वी जस्ट टिकट के बाहर फॉर आइस टी व्हाई डोंट वी कीप इट लाइक दिस ओनली इंस्टेड ऑफ टिकट के अंदर टू मेक इट लुक.
हाँ वही करने वाले ना.
सेकंड में टिकट के अंदर रखा है.
हाँ नहीं रखेंगे ऐसी. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना कि इसको अपन छोटा करवाते हैं, कॉन्ट्रास्ट बढ़वाते हैं. लाजवाब लेमन अंदर आ जाएगा, इंस्टेंट आइस टी बाहर आ जाएगा, टिकट के बाहर आ जाएगा. इसको स्लाइटली स्लो करेंगे एंड वील सी हाउ डज द पैटर्न लुक इन दीज डिजाइंस. लाइक इफ वी मर्ज दीज टू वील गेट दिस चेंज completely and get this font changed for 20, or this I think is the same font as this, so it's fine, and this font for instant iced tea. Sounds good?
Yeah.
ठीक है. We have the first round of digital prints for the iced tea sachets, and lemon and pineapple's yellow is blending with the background of the element in the background. तो इसको थोड़ा change करना पड़ेगा tones, even this. And pineapple seeming slightly smaller also as compared to how much we are getting of the lemon now, just because of the grass part. Blueberries colors are perfect right now. Blueberry and even guava chili looks good. The yellows are a big problem because also in CMYK na print will become slightly lighter. That will be a problem anyways. Iced tea ka packaging.
Two different stickers we are going to make, right?
No, it's not stickers.
The pouch is going to come printed?
Yeah, में ये lemon थोड़ा blend हो रहा है background में. ये change कराना है.
Lemon और pineapple में भी यही yellow background की वजह से issue आता है.
Yeah. This I think is cluttered. Then suddenly this color of the logo is, I don't know, there is just so much happening. Like this is a different shade of yellow, this is a different shade of yellow, this is a different shade of yellow. Then this is a closest orange.
Yeah, so this is, to me, this looks like underwater scenery. It does not go at all with the entire idea of iced tea. And this one is, there is this.
This is,
Very childish.
yeah, the colors are not appealing. I don't know, like it's just not.
the shade which is taken
Of the
she can
colour.
change the shade. The blue also जो है
There's another color, but then suddenly the pink is out of nowhere. This is peachish. What is, we have the pattern throughout the tried to see the output in the next image. This is the pattern throughout the box. Honestly, the pattern throughout the box actually looks good. Like this yellow and the peach and the orange and having the peach on one side. The main face is right now looking underwater scenery. Okay, I think.
This, I like this, but this.
The hara patta is...
Too much.
This looks nice.
Yeah, that's
very अच्छा.
The glasses are actually cute.
The Hara Patta is overpowering the entire logo also. I mean, the brand.
Like, I mean, over here, the blue is also looking good. The beige and the color options over here are looking better. The iced tea is also looking like iced tea. We are now designing the outer box of the iced tea. Abhi andar ki sachets are already gone into print. What's the date today? 22nd Feb.
Peach color, it was not going in that.
Peach though was not a vibe, bro. Peach was looking like very washed out.
Obviously, we're gonna change the yellow as well.
Yeah, I would like a tone of the purple only for the yellow. Like अपन अपने jar पे भी करते हैं, coffee jar पे भी करते हैं. अपना 3 color होता है ना. See Nemi, we go for a slightly lighter color at the back, a more saturated version inside, and the beige on the perimeter. Let's do that. Let's not take this yellow out of nowhere. Because that's definitely off-putting. So ये उसने रात को 3 बजे भेजी मेरे को, and then this, ये अच्छा लग रहा है ना? चलो finally. Oh my God! I was scared to show you all.
पहले वाला तो toy box लग रहा था.
Oh my God, the amount of designs Nemi has done. Bichari has been so busy. This was her first when I told her no.
Child and all she was showing, na? This was looking toy.
So she wanted to, and even we have thought कि हम लोग वीडियो में ईशान वगैरह को डालेंगे कि iced tea is every gender, everybody can have it, right? So we didn't want.
Can have, but children don't have, no?
Children also have.
Children have iced tea.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like that Glucon D. क्यों पेप्सी नहीं पीते बच्चे लोग? तो पेप्सी ज्यादा हाइजेनिक है. Yes, very tasty. And then she made. Then ये आदमी भी बनाई थी उसने. फिर ये सब भी है जो ज्यादा ब्राउन टोन्स में मोन.
ये थोड़ा ज्यादा
डार्क है.
These are all brown tone. बॉक्स पे ऐसा दिखेगा CMYK में. फिर उसने कलर्स को जस्टिस देके ये बनाई.
ये मस्त है, अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank God. Oh my God. I swear I have been traumatized with this icy box.
Later that night.
This thickness is good now. पहले वो बहुत मोटा हो गया. पोल लग रहा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का. This is why I had bought the Apple pencil. I never did something like this. And now it doesn't work, you know. पानी गिर गया उस पर. It hurts, Sarah. Not say all these things. क्या करूँ, जिंदगी ऐसी है. Is this the impulse brown?
First let's work this out.
हाँ.
इसको कहाँ place करें?
I am not okay with the yellow sky. I'm just saying.
So what
अच्छा.
if we keep this girl on the side?
Yeah, that is.
So then we are able to make her जितना भी बड़ा बनाना है ना, we can make her
इसको तो
bigger.
और छोटा बनाओ. That if they स्टेशन पे कोई बैठ नहीं रहा है. Realistically, if you think about it. You have to understand the user experience what you're giving them, right? Nobody is going to set up the station and have an iced tea. So
जिसकी ट्रेन लेट है वो पिएगा.
तो वो दूसरी ट्रेन में जा रहा है. तो कोई भी स्टेशन.
बट तू लोकल ट्रेन क्यों पकड़ रही है? ये मैं दार्जिलिंग भी जा सकती हूँ हॉलीडे मोड. ट्रेन की डिजाइन को ट्रेन की कतार में लगाओ.
खड़ी में
This is what Hassan and you like, no? The blue. I just feel like over everything this wins because, है ना? Just the continuity. कितना पतला बॉक्स है.
ये सब ब्लैक में ही आता है. ये जो इंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह रहते हैं मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय मार्केटेड बाय वो सब ब्लैक में ही आता है.
This is our final design and box के colors अलग-अलग box के colors we've gotten manufactured just to. This is just a dummy printout. ये actual डब्बा ये quality का नहीं होगा of course, but just to see के colors कैसे लग रहे. So we did our beige अपने logo वाला. Then we did our logo वाला brownish maroon. We did a shade of purple. And then we did this blue, but I think this is where the design is just continued on all the sides and it just looks symmetric. So I like this the best and everybody likes this the best. Also the readability on the sides is best in this. We'll close on this. खाली छोटी छोटी चीजें like इधर कुछ ऐड कराएंगे, ऊपर कुछ ऐड कराएंगे और इसको rearrange कराएंगे. And I think we are good to go. This is the final dimension, no?
Yeah, fine. I bought the white dummy also. Where's the dummy with the products?
Sachets के साथ है वो.
Yeah.
कर हाँ भरा हुआ है. Okay.
Dummy which we made with the sizing.
Okay, तो अंदर sachets will be like this. But of course ये भी printed होगा. But ये कहीं और print होगा और ये कहीं डब्बा कहीं और print हो गया. I'll tell Nemi the small changes. Finally, oh God, ये design ने मेरे रात नींद चैन सब उड़ा दिया. अभी आइस टी नहीं काढ़ा पी रही हूँ. हो गया बट ठीक है. Looks good. Of course. Final है ना ये?
Yes, finally.
It prints so much lighter than the this
yes.
na. Damn nice. Final Impulse Coffee's iced tea box. ऊपर हमने लिखा है अब तेरा क्या होगा गर्मी. This is digital print. Look at the difference in digital print and you can't tell. That's the thing. Everything is different. Eyes are different. Camera is different. Photos gonna come different. But it's good. It's very premium, very matte. And then only the ticket and logo and girl is glossy. And this is glossy. All the flavors that we have inside. Oh, sachets भी print हो गए हैं. Oh my God. Oh, dude. Gaudy, you saw? When you saw? Why you saw without me? So good. Guava chili, strawberry. They tear easy. We didn't make, na? Blueberry. Kya mast aaya hai, bro. Shit. This is damn good. I can't believe this designing took so long, but हो गया. Readability मस्त है ना सबका. Looks so good ना?
Smell भी आता है जैसे.
खोलो तो.
हाँ.
I'm so happy. This looks really promising. And finally, after going through so many designs, so many variations, and so many different types of what could be possible, we came up with the perfect Impulse iced tea box. This is our pride and joy right here. I love how this design finally turned out. जब मैंने ये डब्बा finally देखा print होके with the sachets inside, it was everything I imagined for our product. We went through a very long process. Like we've been in this process, I think, almost since a year of just thinking करना है नहीं करना है, of sampling, of all the samples coming in, going out, and then the designing process was 3 months of aggressive design. So in that 3 months, I have visualized a box in so many different ways, and I wanted to do something hatke, and I feel like this is that hatke thing that still gives you that iced tea feeling. So a lot of brands will do like colors on the box and a lot of fruits and everything, but हमको वो सब जम ही नहीं रहा था हमारे design के साथ. The main element of Impulse Coffee is with a ticket that says iced tea, and you're getting 5 assorted flavors. Very simple, very clean. We have this train going at the back, a hot summer day, and a girl sitting and sipping on her iced tea. Basically, the design screams that there's a lot of chaos in life in general, but iced tea will be your sip of calm, your sip of chill, and it's going to be refreshing all the time. And ऊपर एक Bollywood dialogue तो हमको डालना ही था, of course. I love to have fun with my brand. If you've seen our marketing campaigns, they're super filmy, and this had to be there on the box as well. So हमने लिखा है अब तेरा क्या होगा गर्मी, and मुझे ये पूरा हिंदी में लिखना था actually, but I know a lot of Indians also can't read Hindi. So that's the reason why this time on the main outer packaging, you will not see any Hindi. There's only English everywhere. On like the literature is only English. But over here, our flavors are described. And Masti Bhari छोटे में लिखा है for strawberry, chulbuli blueberry, lajawab lemon, and tikhi meaty guava chili and pal pineapple. All the flavors are over here. How to make your iced tea, all the instructions are over here. And at the back, we've got your nutritional facts and all the customer service and जो भी like फसाई के compliances होते हैं, everything else is over here. My product is as always 100% made in India. Impulse is a 100% made in India brand, and we stick by that. Nothing at that has changed ever. So this is one of my proudest, I would say. I'm super excited for this. This is the first time I'm not nervous before a launch because I'm sure this is gonna kill it. Because honestly, like everybody who's had it, like coffee मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, सबको अलग तरीके से पीनी पसंद होती है. Everybody has their own preferences, their favoritism. Some coffees are not everybody's cup of coffee, but with iced tea, every single sachet in this is everybody's cup of iced tea. From mummy, papa, Reet to uncle, aunties, and you know, my whole team and everyone's obsessed with iced tea. This is what the box will look like from the inside. You're getting your 10 sachets, and you'll get like har ka sachet ka do. So you get 2 Lajawab lemons, you get 2 guava chilies, 2 chulbuli blueberries, 2 masti bhari strawberries, and 2 pal pineapple. I love the quality of the sachets also. They are matte. Our box is semi-matte. It's got like a drip-off feeling. There's a texture which you will really like. And then there's a glossy finish on the ticket. This is done by my dad's company. You know, my dad does the printing for this. So this is in-house, but this I externally got it sourced, the sachet making. Sachet making के vendors भी बहुत अलग-अलग type के sachets बनाते हैं. And this is one contact that I did not have. इसी वजह से मैं कभी coffee के sachets नहीं बना पाई थी. Because मेरे पास वो right contacts थे ही नहीं कि sachets कौन बनाता है. And that's a different company altogether doing sachet making. So this is a huge investment. If I'm being honest with you, I have more than 1 lakh sachet packaging printed already. As a businesswoman, it's a huge commitment to make, and that's what I'm saying. I'm so confident that inshallah this will do really well because मैंने 1 lakh sachets already print करके रखे हैं. So it has to do well and it has to fly off so that I can keep selling it. And it's a huge MOQ. It's a huge commitment that I have to make. The kind of investment I've made into these sachet packaging is massive. Now that I have the right contacts, inshallah I will work on getting y'all coffee sachets also, but y'all need to make sure this is selling well. So my coffee sachets also is a huge investment that again I'll have to make into the packaging of the sachets. I love the quality of the sachets though. They are matte and the colors are really popping, and they're very easy to tear also because they're foil packaging. They're not plasticky. मैंने कितने सारे brands के मंगाए थे, इतना cheap plastic का अंदर का packaging होता है. I didn't like it, और उन लोग खाली sticker चिपका के दे देते हैं, like white sachet and then उस पे sticker चिपका के दे दिया है. It was not a vibe at all. I wanted the sachet to be printed completely, which is why I made such a big investment, because if you buy white and black and then just put a sticker, it's easy to do that. There's a lot of money that went into the packaging for sure. But the photos have come out so beautiful. When you look at my website after this launch, I'm sure it's always going to be colorful, vibrant, and looking so nice. Like every single color is popping, and I'm very happy with everything. everything. Finally, ant bhala to sab bhala. And this is a journey that I always love taking y'all through because this is my brand that y'all are also so attached to. हर एक product की journey मैंने आप लोग के साथ share की है and this is one of the products that as a businesswoman has put me on the test multiple times, but I'm so proud of where we've come at the end of it. From packaging to product, everything perfected. All of it took a lot of time, a lot of investment, a lot of mistakes, a lot of coming back, and finally this product is here that we are all very, very proud of. Internally, we are very happy with how it turned out. It is meeting our Impulse standards and we're sure our Impulse hustlers are going to love it. This is going to be available on our website www.impulsecoffees.com as well as available to shop on Amazon. So you can go ahead and shop from the links in the description box. 200 gram of Impulse iced tea is retailing at rupees 599. You're going to absolutely love it and every sip of this is going to be so worth it for us, for all the hard work that we put in, and you're going to be addicted to it, I'm pretty sure. इसके बाद I know कि मुझे कितने सारे लोग आके बोलने वाले कि Sara launch this separately, Sara launch this next time, Sara do this, Sara do that, and I'm excited for these messages. I'm actually looking forward to every single DM, every single comment I'm going to get after y'all have this product because I know how y'all are. I know जब कुछ launch होता है उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारा feedback आता है and I ensure that at Impulse Coffees we're always listening. The whole instruction to the full team first given is consumer is always right, and whatever the consumer says we have to listen and we have to incorporate, and we've always done that, always managed to do that, which is pretty much why Pal Pal Pineapple and Kaccha Aam came back. And I'm very excited to develop this product even further with y'all, bring more variations, bring like individualism. This is a whole new market and a whole new avenue that we've opened up, and I'm sure that with your support we'll be able to do a lot more different products in food and beverage. So I'm excited for that whole segment this year. This year is going to be different and it's going to be exciting, so gear up. I hope you all enjoy sipping on your Impulse iced tea, and I want to see all your Instagram stories. Tag me, tag Impulse Coffees, follow us on Instagram for all the updates because all the hottest updates come there and our marketing team works very hard on that. So please don't forget to follow me and Impulse Coffees on Instagram if you have an Instagram account because that's more instant. Just like our instant iced tea, we can give you instant updates there. Everything at Impulse is instant actually. Even coffee is instant, even drinking chocolate powder is instant. That's the whole point. Impulse means instant, just like me. It's impulsive, it's fast, it's quick, and it will get the job done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love taking you all through the journey of my products because I'm so passionate about my brand and about everything that I put into business, and I love taking you all through the whole journey of it. Thank you so much for always being such a great support. This video is always made for the people who are now Impulse buyers. They are Impulse hustlers. They've always been supporting Impulse Coffees, and I want you all to know what's going inside your product, how much thought and how much work has gone into it. We are not just launching something for the sake of it. We have put a lot of thought inside this and made sure that this quality is up there with all your other products from Impulse Coffees. I hope you all love it as much as we do and enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For this, Sasko goes to Utkarsh Luthra. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next video's Sasko Shore, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and it's chance for my next video, Sara Squad. Shout out. I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.